we have here, Lou?
Well, we've got the 140, what is it, a 146 now? So we've got the 146 IQR 860. Rktek's powered. Look at that. She's a lot shorter. This is going to be fun. It's going to be fun. I'm telling you right now. I think we'll start. Van Amberg sent us their little shorty cooler. We got that underneath there. I'm just going to pull it out a bit and then maybe close the door. We're just going to run it for a little bit. Cycle that coolant through there because the new cooler in. That's what I always do. On the snowbank over here a little bit. So we'll get the front up nice and high, and then we'll get that rest of the coolant.
I think we're going to need to tighten the track a little more.
Is it a little loose there?
Yeah.
A little sloppy?
Yeah, but besides that, it looks pretty good. Probably needs more air in the shock too.
Yes, I see that. Well, it's pretty cold in there right now. So yeah, we'll tighten up the track, check the coolant. I'm going to take it for a brat. What do you think? Oh, we got to do the clutch too. I can tell right now that the clutch is not right. The secondary, we need to just adjust the deflection on it. Let's take it up. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, see how low it's riding down in there? She needs to come up a wee bit, take a little bit of the slack off. Tighten her up. She's a little starting in second gear basically. I like how it starts right off the bat. So let's pull her in, get the work done, and take her in. It starts better than it ever has. It's amazing how easy that Polaris starts. Oh, wait a second. What's this thing there? Got the cooler that actually runs down the rails and then into the back cooler. It's all ice. So you can't do anything. I mean, there's no sense even changing the clickers up on it. There's no sense changing the clickers on it because really can't do anything. Just winds right up. I don't even know what it's running RPM wise. I want to hook up my temperature gauge too, so that's all good. And I've got to recalibrate my air fuel ratio gauge. But other than that, we've got a sled ready. It's the 3rd of February. We have a sled going. Not bad, right? Oh, it's going to be a ripper, boys. That's going to be a lot of fun in the POW. Yeah.
Once we get it.
Yeah. Check this out. So we've gone a little stealthy. We've got a power mod stick. That's it. That's how we're going to roll this beast this winter. So probably in the not next week, but the week after, we're going to take a drive and we're going to go find some snow. So you guys got to tell me where it's good. You know, we're in Ottawa area, so we'll put an 8 or 10 or 12-hour ride in if we can get some snow. Not a problem. We'll have this, the Rev, maybe the RMK done by then. Anything else do we need to go? The cat won't be done yet, but it's coming. Right on. Okay, boys, let's pull her in and do a once over.